Welcome everyone to the Tesla D event. There's been a lot of speculation as to what the D stands for.
Oh my God, guys. Elon, did you see what just happened? Did you see? It went down a lot. We just bought two new shares, and look at that. I knew it was going to go down more. I said it. If you check out my video, I said it's going to go down more. But yeah, luckily I changed the number of units, the number of shares, and we just bought two. So, and we're talking about $3 difference, basically. So, shall we buy more or we wait? Normally, we bought them at 432. If we would have done 1% point less, it would be 427.28, 428. And we could still try to buy. Come on, let's buy a few more, three more at 427. We'll put that way we recover or even out a little bit the previous mistake. But we are testing the 200 moving average again. So we crossed it before. We were trading above the 200 moving average, and the good signs are that the 50 moved above the 200, the 13 and the 5 also. So the moment they cross again, it's when we change direction, we change trend. So we started going down. And now what we want is that the 5 moving average, the green, crosses the yellow. That will mean that we are starting to move back up. And more or less, many times, it's equivalent to the MACD crossing each other, the signal with MACD crossing each other. So let's see. We just put the order. I mean, we went down to 427.62. So I doubt that we're gonna buy these ones. But it was not the objective for today to buy more shares, and we already bought a lot more shares. I don't know how many, probably 10 or 15 shares extra today. The goal for today was to sell some of the shares, okay? I mean, we can check just so that we know how many. Look, we'll do a new one here because otherwise this starts showing a lot of these things that are very annoying. You know, they do new things, and at the end, the new things get too annoying. And they don't ask the user if that's what they wanted. So today, 22nd, we sold 6 and we bought 9, 11. We bought 11. I didn't remember we sold 6. So in theory, we could buy some more. In total, we have 81 shares, okay? And that's a lot. The target would have been 100, but given the situation today that I started buying other shares, at the end I don't think we'll manage to reach that target because we only have 10 more left. So we could do 91. And if Tesla starts going up, the available to trade, that's the budget left to trade, will go up as we have more profits. Because at the moment, if we check value, if we sort by value, we have $30,000 on Tesla, and it's only 1,000 profit. At the moment, it's nothing. Yesterday, we were at 2,000 profit. But as it goes up, the stock, the available to trade will go up, okay? Do you want to trade some, Elon? Do you want to buy some? I mean, today is battery day. Most likely it's going to be good and it's going to go up. Although, given that you sent that tweet yesterday, I don't know if that's going to be the case. Come on, man. Why did you do that? Okay, let's check out in which range they're trading now. Now it's trading almost at 430. It is 430 now. We can try 428.50. And why am I going up? I mean, I see it's going up already, but it's about to cross, but I still didn't cross, which is dangerous because many times it happens. 29.80, okay, probably, look, that's the lowest, 29.30 at the moment. Many times it happens that from 1 second to the other, poof, it just drops like a rock. So in a way, I'm thinking it's here. We'll leave it like 27.5, okay? 1 hour and a half till closing. And okay, that one is being processed, okay. There we go. It crossed. Now it crossed. That means normally it will start going up. Normally, but look, it crossed and it might just cross again in a red. That's already a bad sign. But yeah. Here we check. I mean, it has not been down this low for a while. So I don't know if we'll have another opportunity in, look, the last time was at 1, so that was 2 hours ago, 2.5 hours ago. And by the moment it's 2.5 hours more, it's gonna be closed. So yeah, I think we should buy some more. Yeah, we'll do that. We'll do 28.5 and see if we manage. Because look, we're almost there. It's almost there, 29.20. So now it's trading almost there. Look, we can even do this. Boom, 48.02, 428.02. Sorry, it's $1 below. Because look at that. Look at that. It's going down. We can even do 27. I see some down momentum here. It reached 428.80. One of the key things about trading is to buy at the right price in the right moment. That's one of the key things I learned. And always try not to buy too much. So now we don't really want to buy, but it might be our last chance before the big hype, which will happen if it happens, because if it happens, in my opinion, if it happens, it will not go above 450, which is not too much, because 450, that would be how much of a profit? Sorry, I'm gonna have to, I see it's going down more. You see what happened, huh? So it went up and directly down, boom. I barely changed it. Wow. Look at that. It went to 427.78. And this might go down a lot more. So I'm going to put 421 because we don't want to buy it. And if we buy it, we want it at a lower price, logically. because we just bought a 432. So we just bought here. It's like at the highest peak. What were we doing? What was that all about? Up here, even 430. We bought up here. What crazy? Look how much it went down since we bought. It went down $4. I'm just kidding. We're just buying 2 or 3 shares, which is the difference is $5, $8, $10, something like that. So, but if we check where we're going, at the moment, Elon, come on, man, do something. You are the man. You can do it. Come on. Come on, look at that. Yeah, it's going down. It's going down. Okay, so let's find some support for that drop. That's a big drop. But if we find some support, I mean, we can draw a line or two. Let's do horizontal lines, which is easier to do. And we do this one, for example. I don't think it's going to reach that low, but it might. Here we can do another one. 422, 423. That's not much of a difference. 420. Okay, 420. Remember that yesterday we reached 411. 411. Can you believe it? Oops, I didn't want to modify that. I just wanted to do that. Okay, here we set some different targets. I don't think, I hope we don't go that down, because otherwise it's going to be more difficult to get to our objective. Look at the 50, okay, it's going to cross the 200 again, and that's a downtrend in a big magnitude. So if they cross, if the 50 and the 200 cross, it's going to be a big drop. And we might reach the 417. Wow, look at that. Such a beauty. Okay, while this goes down, don't forget to like and subscribe, please. And I hope you're having fun. I hope you have some sense of humor, because I like humor, especially when things are not going the way you want, which is the case today. Okay, thanks to Mr. Musk. Mr. Musk. Okay, so well, this doesn't seem to want to recover, even though it's trying. When you check at the MACD here, you see it continues to drop. So this might be another fake recovery. And we have to check the 50. No, so far it didn't cross, but if it does, I don't know what's going to happen. If it does, I don't see much of a recovery here. Okay, what's going on? What's happening? What's happening? Okay. You see, the tendency is, the direction is towards the 200, because the 200 more or less at the moment it's pretty horizontal. I mean, it was trying to go up, but the 200 barely moves. Always is it moves very slowly compared to the 50. So this looks like a shark if you look at it. Wow, it's a shark. Shark night. No, battery day, man. Come on. Shark night. No, battery man. Okay. Battery man on battery day. Okay, guys, I think we'll leave it here by now, and I'll continue in another one. This might be fun. It's almost like a dinosaur. Look at this. Wow. Okay. Good then. Talk to you later. Thanks for watching, and don't forget, everything I say here, it's in my opinion. I'm not a financial advisor, and I'm just a retail investor like you. Okay? So don't listen to anything I say, and trade safely. I'm gonna show